these niggas like a willy nigga. You a silly nigga in the hood with them Billy niggas and them Hoover niggas. You run up and they shooting niggas. We ain't hooping nigga. No KB, you a loser nigga. I'm that Uzi nigga.
What is good, YouTube? It is Zay the Fame here, back again with another video. And today we're gonna be doing an unboxing of the new desk I just got. My little office that I'm gonna prepare. I'm gonna do a setup this weekend. I'm gonna be doing a setup. I'm gonna show you my room and my little office, I call it. So I hope you enjoy, and let's get right into the video. Day 2 of this project of my desk. I'm gonna put it in fast mode again so y'all guys can see how I build it and how it goes, and how I'm gonna do a setup. Tomorrow I'm gonna do a gaming setup, whatever you call it. I'm gonna do a setup so y'all guys can see. I hope you enjoy it, and let's get right into the video. So yeah, guys, I am back, and I built the table and everything. This is just a little preview of my room. I hope you enjoyed this video. Room, guys, I'm gonna be doing a game setup soon, so I hope you enjoy, and please hit that big thumbs up, and please hit that subscribe button for more videos. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the video. Peace.
Went to Texas for a few days, wanted to scout out the properties. Looking like I won a lottery. None of that hate really bothered me. YouTube 3 years.